today we will not unleash a Gunpla, but we'll unleash a different model kit, but still part of a Plamo. Yeah, still a Plamo. And I have one right here already, which I already built it. But this is a little bit different, and this is a little bit of what you call a gamble on ordering this, because this is like a new site or a new shop that we because I have some groups already that finding these different shops that we can find on Shopee. And then yeah, let's see. So we will try this, or for this time I will try this shop, and so that you will not gamble for yourself, so we will do the sacrifice for you. And we have here your, yeah, still a box, but yeah, as you can see, its box is from Amazon. Yeah, there's a big Amazon name right there. Yeah, right here, right there. So you can see that's the Amazon. Okay, so as I know, this product is from Japan. Yep, it's a direct from Japan. And this is a Kyokai Senki kit, or a Miles, or what you call that? Kyokai Miles in the Borderland. Am I right? But as I know, it's called Kyokai Senki. So let's do it on that terms, alright? On the terms, okay? So without further ado, let's open this, or let's unleash this with this big yet rusty but still trusted cutter. Let's go. Let's open or unleash. Let's go. Okay, so we have here your this is your Kyokai Senki Miles Proto Goyo. And this is an HG1 is to 72. Okay, so this is from the, yeah, it's a Kyokai Senki kind of kit, and it has this kind of stickers, and it's from the Ama-M Warrior at the Borderland. And yeah, I think this is a prequel of the main story before they have the I forgot the name for that, which is I have there. I've already built it. So this is the Proto Goyo. So I'm wrong. Proto Goyo, but it's Proto Goyo. Okay. So why did I order this? Because I know it's like the same. There are some same parts for some of the old, not so old, but the other males that we already have here. But still, I only build one of them, and then all of the males is still part of my backlight parties at the back, which is this one will go also right there. But yeah, so the reason why, because I've seen or saw some reviews already of this Proto Goyo, but first I'm so hesitant on ordering it. But when I saw those reviews, I found out that it has so many armaments on it, and it can carry it all, man. It can really carry it also. I will show you at the box. So that's the box art of our Proto Goyo. And then the side right here, you can see there, so many armaments, man. There's so many. We have here the assault rifle, the machete, we have some dagger knives, we also have a handgun. So it has a gun, so it's a handgun. And then right here at the side, same picture at the front part right here. Okay, so yeah, that's the Proto Goyo, and this is all its armaments right here. It has some shields. I don't know if we can have it, but yeah, I think this is for the weapon. It's from the weapon set. So if you have some weapon set, you can have it. But yeah, according to the review from Mecha Guy Kotsu, because he already have this one, it has so many armaments. It also has this kind of armament right here, or a weapon, which is a Gatling. It's like a Gatling handgun, like pistol Gatling gun. So I'm so mesmerized on that kind of weapon, which is very, very nice. So it's very like kind of, if you we will have some robots. In reality, I think this will be the faces of them. It's not the Gundam, which is that so very futuristic kind of robots. But this one, yeah, the feet, the joints that we need to, or in order for them to move humanoid like, yeah, it's like this one. This is the robots that we can really have if we have the technology right now. Okay, so but yeah, then why I gambled ordering on a very, like, it's not so suspicious, but the shop has only, I think, so little amount of reviews. So I see or look at the reviews, but yeah, they're all positive, but still it's a little bit hesitant and has that question on my mind. Why does this Proto Goyo is only marked as 1,075 pesos? Yup, it's only 1,075 pesos. And the first, I've seen the first release of the Proto Goyo on Shopee. The price goes 2,200 pesos. Yeah, that's how high this kit is. The price of this kit goes on that price. And then it came a little bit kind of rare kind of kit, because after the release, there's no follow-up of the release or other sellers. Then after that, I saw it from Wakaro. It has the price is 1,550. Then other shops already also I saw it's 1,680. And yeah, still a little bit hesitant on ordering because of the price. It's still high, but yeah, it's also reasonable because it has that so many armaments. But yeah, it's not yet my priority on ordering this. So what I plan is just wait a little bit. Maybe there's some vouchers that can give me some discounts, or I can have some Shopee coins that I can use in order for this one to be discounted. But this shop shows up. I think it's called JP Mart page. It's like Japan Mart page, just like that. It's not sponsored, okay? I use my money on buying this kit, okay? But yeah, I just really want to let you be assured that this shop is legit. It will really send you the right kit. And yeah, it's right here now, right? And yeah, it's legit. So the shop is legit, and you can really have, and it's very, very safe. As you can see, there's no dent. Yeah, there's a one right here, but it's just so small, and the parts inside is very, very safe. Okay, so it's 1,075 pesos. And if you have some vouchers, and yeah, I got some vouchers. So from 1,075 plus the shipping fee, which is a little bit, we can say it's very little. Yeah, very cheap on the shipping fee. Plus, I have some shipping fee vouchers. And then plus the Shopee coins. From 1,075 pesos, I only got this only 1,045. Am I right? 1,045? No. I'm short in 1 peso. 1,046 pesos. Yeah, that's the price that I paid for this. And when I researched for the SRP for this one, the SRP for the HG 1272 HG Miles Proto Goyo is only 1,058 and 98 centavos. So let's say it's only 1,059 pesos. So yeah, still, if I bought this for 1,075, it's still okay. Very, very close. Very close. Just I think it's only 25 pesos, or let's say 16 pesos difference from the SRP. And now Hobby Japan, I saw this from the Hobby Japan right there, so you can see right there, that's my evidence. I always look the SRP of the kits before I buy it, so that I can see if it's very overpriced or just right for the business. Yeah, it's still business, so they need to have a profit. So I'm also a businessman, I understand that. So yeah, I always search on the Hobby Japan before I bought any kind of kit. Okay, so, and it is discounted already right here on the Hobby Japan, and it's also in stock for today. Now it's 1,006 pesos and 3 centavos only. So it's let's say it's only 1,006 pesos. So yeah, if you want, go on pre-order on Happening Japan. But still, right now, I don't know how to order on Happening Japan. I don't know if I can receive it in correct way, or how to get that, because I don't know. I don't know if there is a COD for the Happening Japan, or you need to pay it first before they will send you the kit. Yeah, that's it. That's why I'm just going. I still ordering on Shopee because it's more sure on how to get it, the process. I know that. Okay, so that's it. That's our Proto Goyo. And yeah, so now all of the builders right there, especially on the GBP Team Kabuo DP troops, now I assure you that shop is legit. And yeah, go there. There's so many kits that is under the SRP, or really on the SRP only. Okay, but some rare kits goes up more than the price that we can have on the Huddle in Japan. Okay, but yeah, still it's a buy. They're rare, so that it explains the price. Okay, but this one, a very good buy for me. That's it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you like this kind of contents and videos, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please hit that notification button to be informed for my next videos. Okay? So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off. And Gunpla Show signing off. Even it's not yet a Gunpla for today. Bye. Blacklight Paradise. Woo! So, if you reach this part of my video, please comment down there below hashtag Jake the Gunpla Reviewer and get the chance to be shout out on our next video. Okay, that's it. Thank you and peace out.